Part 1. Taking care of your car or bike according to the season can improve its performance, mileage, and safety. As summer arrives and monsoon follows, here are some important tips. Summer. Shield your vehicle from heat by parking in shade. Crack a window open or use air circulation to reduce interior temperature. Cover leather seats with cloth to prevent excessive heat absorption. Keep small towels to cover gear knobs and steering wheel for comfortable driving. Use legal curtains or shades to block sunlight. Slightly reduce tire air pressure to account for heat expansion and ensure a smoother ride. Avoid overfilling the fuel tank. Leave some space for fumes in the heat. Check and top up coolant levels regularly as engines run hotter in summer. Clean the AC condenser, usually in front of the car, to maintain efficient cooling. Monitor AC gas levels and refill if necessary. By following these easy steps, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly during the changing seasons.